Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to programmatically resize the image view or for that matter any particular widget to match the parent in the layout of your Android app. So let's begin. Let's get a and resize image view. You can name this app anything. There's no things I will leave it as it is and click finish and wait for the environment to load. It may take a while. Environment is loaded, and first and foremost what we will do is we will import the assets, the image asset which I'll be displaying in the image view for this particular demonstration. So go to image asset and over here in the path, so already I have got few images. So say for example I'll be using this flower.jpg from my downloads folder. So what I'll do is I'll just flower.jpg and I'll rename this resource file to flower, something like that. Rest of things it will automatically take care. Just click finish, next and finish. Make sure there is no error or warning over here, and it will include the assets in your particular resource. So if you want to go and see in the MIP map, you will see the flowers getting included here. Now in the activity, I can minimize this part, and in the activity main.xml file, I don't think I'll need text view. I'll just need one image view where I'll be showing this. So what I'll do is I'll just add this flower dot this one, and I'll add the constraints. I'll make it 0 0 so that it's on the start of here. Yeah, you can name size, you can give any size initially. Probably I can give probably this quick, it doesn't matter. And yeah, no, what I'll do is yeah, in Java code what I'll do is I'll first create a class variable called image view, which I'll associate it with that particular widget. Okay, so find view by id r.id.imageview, and then I'll also create a method public void image on click image view, on click image view. So whenever that image view is clicked, that time it will resize itself. So I'm not creating any separate trigger point or any separate button. I'll be using the same button. So I'll go back to my layout, and over here in the image view, if I scroll down in the attributes section, somewhere down below, I should get on click attribute and just select the particular method over here. I'll also start the emulator in parallel. However, I'll go back to Java code to just quickly complete the Java code over here. So my image view is associated. What I'll do is I'll also create a couple of other class variables. One is probably the height and width variable, which I'll be using while taking the height and width of the image view, and also one boolean variable, probably boolean, is it like match parent, and by default I'll make it false and I'll make it true whenever, because initially it's not a match parent, right? It's we have given some fixed height and weight. However, in this code we'll toggle between height and between the match parent and non-match parent. So in this, first and foremost what I'll do is I'll check whether the height and width of this particular image view, so that I can check not by image view but simply by whether this particular boolean match parent is it true or not. So if it's true, then we have to resize it to the non-match parent. Otherwise, if it's false, we will resize the image view to match parent. So first let me complete this part. So I'll say set layout params, and then in this what I'll do is I'll create a new constraint layout params. Perfect. And over here I'll have to give the, I think, the width and the height, but in this case since both will be the match parent, so what I'll do is I'll just enter match parent. Yeah, perfect, this one. Okay, and I'm not sure. Yeah, add a static import, so that will be better. If I go here, we'll add a import over here required for this particular match parent. So I'll just reuse this for, this is width comma height, so for height also I'll use the same thing. So perfect. But before that I'll do one thing, a couple of things. One is like changing the or retaining the height and width of the initial image view. So I'll do image view get height, and also before changing I have to ensure that I am able to get the previous height and width in some variables. And also I'll change the boolean, this one to true no. Perfect. So same thing what I'll do is I will in this part if part I'll change it, but I'll not change it to match parent, because if it's match parent I'll toggle it back to the height and width. So I think the first one is, as I know, the first variable is the width and the second variable is the height. You can also hover on this particular method and you'll see the width and height is the attributes which it expects. Also I'll do one thing, I'll change it to false over here, because now it's no more. If it goes in this particular subroutine, then it is no more a match parent true, it's a false part. Okay, so I'll just rerun and I expect it to work. So let me put, oh okay, I missed to run it, I just stopped it, sorry for that. And I'm not sure if I really need this, so I can just optimize the force. Yeah, okay, so this has come up. So if I click on this, perfect, if you see it's toggling. And yeah, because I have not given any other input to this, right? So it will just toggle because of this if else alternative option where I'm toggling between. If it's matching parent, then it's fine. It will toggle back to the initial height and width, because if it's match parent is true, it will go back to the initial height and width. If it's false, then it will first retain the initial height and width, and then it will toggle to the match parent here. That's all I wanted to show you how easy it is to resize. So here I have just shown match parent, but of course here you can hard code the size also, whatever size you want. Say for example you want any particular dimension, 100 dp or something like that, you can definitely give it in integer form. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.